Dancehall, like reggae, is about unity. It's about sharing. It's about love. You know, one of the things I found very interesting here that I really admired is there was a showcase where the dancers after our classes showcased and they infused their dress code in the dance hall. So we were able to see the Indian dress code, but they were dancing dance hall. And the fusion
It was amazing.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Some other places we go, they are trying to be
Like dancehall,
like
they're
a
trying to
Jamaican.
dress
Like,
the
I'm
dancehall.
saying no. There has to be your identity. There has to be your signature. It has always been a very, very important part of the culture.
I'm here to just give them a little eye opener and say, you know, it doesn't matter how you come. You know, it's about expressing yourself. So don't let, you know, ballet always tells you, you have to be this thin, you have to be,
The body has to be upright.
Yeah,
It's
no.
a rigid thing. But
Dancehall is just come as you are, free.
And the beats just
Express
tell you to
yourself. You know, it's not only just above here, but it's way above the clouds.
It is important. Once you take on culture, you have to go deeper than what the surface is. You know, so the spirituality for me comes out of everything that made dancehall what it is. That has been a part of our African culture.
That is when Rastafari was born. Speaking about equal rights and justice. That is when we were introduced to His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I, the first, kings and lords of lords, conquering men of the tribe of Judah.
Because dancehall is a subculture of reggae, then there are so many things that we have taken from reggae into dancehall that keeps us grounded. It is based on the mood of the people that changes the movement.
It's about the attitude that comes out in it.
Yeah? And this is what happens in society that comes out in the dance. So if you look at movements coming out of Jamaica and say dancehall dancers doing a lot of gun movements, it's because of what is represented in our society. You know, and it has always been like that. The music, the change of the music, if the tempos get very heavy, and it's because of what the people are going through. Because the dancehall space is where they go to release all of that energy, and that tension, and anything that they're going through.
Okay, this is a different world that we're stepping into now.
Make sure that the cultural aspect is always attached to what you're doing here. Don't go into just the trending things. We're resilient people, but we survive the kick because of reggae and dancehall. That's why we survive.
Yeah.
If we don't have music, there's going to be life.